Hey guys, my name is Tony. Do you guys know that there are more than 6 million pets that are up for adoption and that only 3 to 4 millions are adopted each year, leaving almost 3 millions of them to be exterminated each year? We here at Adopt Me provide shelter to those nearly 3 million of exterminated pets and raise awareness about pet adoption. Just like you, we also need friends. So get up and contact Adopt Me through our website and make a change in the world. We also partner with Pilot and Paws, who deliver pets if you are not able to come and pick one. Visit our website at adoptme.com/wibbly and www.pilotsandpaws.org. It's your chance to make a change and make yourself proud. We are waiting for you.